Oh, I got a disability. I say things sometimes like the opposite to what I mean. I go, now down here, and I'm pointing up, I have this problem with reversals and upside down. Sometimes I see things like I'm standing on my head and I should be standing on my feet. Yeah. I'm just doing another video. Well, I'm going to explain Saturn's hexagon. Right? I had this belief because they detected hydrocarbons, benzene, in the pole. I'm going, well, benzene is a hexagon, and I was saying it's just what it's doing is the molecule that's being formed is extruding that thing. I'll give it a guess. And then someone got two cylinders, one inside the other, and one spinning at different speeds, and actually did in a liquid did the hexagon, and I went, well, let's check the substance. And the substance happened to be dye, and it had a cyclic carbon. I went, no. Then the Russians did one. They did one with glycol, and no cyclic substances, and all. So then I was for sure that no, the cyclic substance was not causing it. That the cylinders were, right? Okay. Now, I do most of my maths from a singularity point, one, and you can do everything from one point, right? You divide it by half. It's like, or you divide it by 3. That one. You divide one into 2. You get 2, but 0.5s. You get 2 things. So it's a way of expanding things, right? So you got to realize that you've got one cylinder, 1, 2 cylinder, 2, right? The medium in between, division, is a divider, right? The medium is a divider, right? It's in between them. So you put a divider in between the 1 and the 2. So what we'll do is we're going to put 1C, 1 cylinder, 2C, 2 cylinder, and put the water in between. So it's 1C divided by 2C in brackets, right? Because that's the system. It starts moving, right? And what it does is it pushes the water into X, Y, Z. X, Y, and Z, right? So that's 3. So X, Y, Z existed before the 1/2. So we'll X, Y, Z divided by 1 in brackets, parentheses, 1C divided by 2. Now if we actually do 3 divided by 1/2 in brackets, we get 6. So 6 lines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals X, Y, Z 3, which is a triangle in the 2D, right? We're going to use each direction this way, X, Y, and Z, X, Y, and Z, okay? Because one's going this way, one's going this way, and one's going 3 dimensions in the 2-dimensional plane. So you've got X, Y, Z divided by 1C divided by 2 equals 6. This is how the hexagon mechanically extracts itself in the medium. Is that making sense to you? I don't know. I looked at the equation they put on that video with the cylinders, and it didn't actually. It might have actually drawn a hexagon or something, but it doesn't mechanically work. It doesn't actually do what my explanation does. Okay, that's my equation.